Happy Friday, everybody. Happy Friday, Facebook. Coming back with you again with another video. The title of this video, 24K Madness. Getting ready to go to the post office and drop my bundle off. Like I said before, it's simple and easy to work from home. Anything that's cheap, if you can do it, you can make money. If you can't work, you are lazy. I'm not a lazy man. I'm not lazy. Find a way to make money, to make it suitable for you, make it cheap for you. Everybody looking for the same thing for extra change. There's a lot of opportunities out there for all the entrepreneurship and the marketers out there. There's a lot of people promoting something for everybody can put their finger to it and start sharing and start doing some work. That's including me. I'm not making excuses. I'm spending my little couple dollars and making it happen. What about y'all? I'm not asking for nobody for no money to do what I do at home. I'm willing to do this. I'm willing to sacrifice whatever I got to work from home. What about y'all now, marketers? I respect all the marketers out there trying because of the stupid pandemic, stopping everything, not to move forward. We can't feel sorry for ourselves at all. Thinking somebody going to give you something, ain't nobody going to give you nothing. World, people, family, workers, they ain't going to give you nothing. They searching for the same thing they scared to ask. Yes, the title of this video is 24K Madness. Getting ready to go to the post office and drop the postcard off. I'll show you what I'm talking about. I'm going to switch my screen over and show you. So, here you go. 24K Madness. Just going to the post office. Like I said, I will show you what you're looking at right there. And that's the front side. And that's the product side. Right there. What you see there, that's what you got to do. Follow those instructions and you're good to go. Earn $25 on each sale. Order your postcard today by WTM Publishing. It's that simple. I'm dropping it off in the mailbox. 24K Madness. Here it is. Stamp and leads right there. That's simple. It is not hard. It don't take no rocket scientist to do this. Very simple. Here it is what I do from home. Getting ready to go to the post office. There you go. Nice colorful postcard. Leads right there. Stamp right there. And this is the product you are promoting. Earn $25 on each sale. You do what I do, you make money. If you don't do what I do, you ain't making no money. True story. All those non-marketers out there looking on my content, liking, sharing, you need to come aboard something. Nobody don't owe you nothing at all. No one. You need to come aboard something, anything, to bring your money at home. I'm not begging nobody for nothing. I'm doing me, and I'm happy what I do. I make videos. I find a way to get more people to watch my content. You got to put in work. I'm putting work right now. I am putting work right now. 24K Madness, $25 payment. So cheap to get on board. I got a $50 postcard also. Who can afford $25? All you do is drop this stuff in the mailbox. That's it. That's it. Call that number, 641-715-3900, extension 157037. Call that number. It'll explain everything to you. There it is right there. So, now marketers, stop liking, stop sharing. Come aboard something. You know you broke. You know you ain't got no extra change in your pocket. You living paycheck to paycheck. There's no more jobs out there for anybody to do anything. We on part-time status. What y'all gonna do? If your boyfriend ain't got no money, why are you looking at him for? You should have started something a long time ago to stop begging your boyfriend like he don't have nothing. He don't have nothing to offer you. He can't help you pay your rent because he ain't got no money. She ain't got no money for you to help you do anything. Everybody looking for something to do. I'm sorry to say, I'm going to bust everybody's bubble. Everybody looking for something to do. What is the problem making extra money? Postcard business is where it's at today. Postcard business is where it's at today. Yes. So there's no excuses now, marketer. You see your Facebook page and Instagram is lit up like a Christmas tree. It's not even Christmas yet. Everybody's serious who promoting something. We all need to come together and make this happen. Thank you. Come back with you again in another video.